This 2-year XRP plan could 9x your investment, guys. So right now we see the market cap down a point, but guys, we've got some relief and we came back a little bit. And kind of pointing towards XRP, that's what we're focusing on today. It's at $1.35. So in the last 24 hours, it's down around 3%, and it's kind of dropped a little bit down after this relief kind of period that we got. And so we're going to be talking about this 9x investment. It sounds crazy, guys, but you're going to see very soon that it is very realistic and very possible. So an analyst reveals the best move for XRP investors today. So amid ongoing bearish pressure across the crypto market, community figure Adam has delivered a strategic message to XRP investors. As uncertainty spreads, Adam urged investors to take advantage of the pullback to position themselves for a potential rally in the next few years. Pretty much what this is saying, and what I've been preaching, is that right now, guys, XRP is some of the lowest prices. We will see it kind of looking in the future. We probably won't see $1.30 once XRP takes off for a very long time. And when we saw XRP drop to $1.11, that was pretty darn low. And I accumulated a good amount of my XRP in that kind of area because I want to buy when it's low so I can make bigger and more profit when XRP goes up. And it's inevitable when XRP is going to go up, guys. It's a matter of time. And we're just kind of waiting on that positive catalyst right now. But the way to make your bang for your buck, way to make the wealth that you want to obtain so bad is to buy when things are down. And things are down right now, guys. Things have been going down. So amid the broader market downturn, Adam advises investors to capitalize on lower prices by accumulating XRP. He suggests moving holdings to a cold wallet and ignoring the asset for 2 years could be a good move. And I believe in this, guys. I'm a bullish holder where I don't react to what the market is doing one day and sell my XRP and buy all my XRP in one day. I buy my XRP when it's down and I hold it. I don't like to take losses on my XRP and my crypto, and I like to take big profits and big wins. And so I kind of hold on to whatever I own, and I don't really sell whenever things and people are panicking and there's uncertainty in the market. I hold and I stay strong. So if XRP mounts a strong recovery by 2028, the strategy could yield substantial gains, which I believe it 100% will. He advised investors to buy the dip, transfer their holdings to a cold wallet, ignore them for the next 2 years, which I think is a pretty good idea because it kind of puts you in a position to not be able to react with panic and uncertainty, where things go down one day and you're like, oh my gosh, I got to sell my XRP. It kind of puts you in a position to hold, stay strong, and not take a loss on your XRP and your crypto. His commentary calls for a disciplined, long-term investment mindset, which I do have myself, rather than reacting emotionally to short-term volatility, which we have been seeing a lot of. He advocates strategic accumulation and secure storage, which I emphasize. This approach reduces panic selling and positions investors to benefit if XRP stages a strong recovery within the projected 2-year time frame, specifically by 2028. In his view, the current market turbulence could fade by 2028, a period many analysts anticipate could mark a strong rebound. And guys, I think that the strong rebound is coming shorter. I think it's coming sooner than we think. Not tomorrow, not in a week, but it's coming, guys, because of things like institutional advancement, Clarity Act, all those good things that are very positive catalysts that will push XRP for a huge amount in the crypto market in a broader kind of term. Supporting this outlook, the Telegon prediction platform estimates that XRP can reach a peak price of $12.84 by 2028, which I think is very realistic. At that level, a $1,000 investment made today at $1.34 could grow to approximately $9,582. So it's substantial, a little bit more than I think a 9x investment. So that's huge, guys. And that's just not doing anything, just buying XRP and holding it. And so we look at this right now, kind of this XRP price prediction. And guys, I think that all these prices are realistic, guys. I think that all it takes is one very positive catalyst, like the Clarity Act, for example, which I believe is coming soon. And I believe that that will be one of the biggest positive catalysts, and that will support a ton of bullish sentiment in a bull market in return. So yeah, notably factors such as the anticipated passage of the Clarity Act, rising institutional demand for XRP, and a potential easing of Middle East geopolitical tensions support a bullish outlook. And guys, these things are happening. They're happening behind the scenes. Momentum is building behind these things. So really, I do truly believe that right now, it's one of the best opportunities where you can buy your XRP this low and receive that big of a gain, that big of a kind of a 9x in your investment, that kind of terms that you will see for a while. This opportunity won't be here forever because XRP will be at $5, $10 down the road. And this $1.30 investment won't be there, and you will be late, and you're going to be wishing you didn't miss out and accumulate your XRP when it was that low. So then you could have 9x, 10x, 15x your investment that you made in 2026 of March. And you're going to be looking down the road in 2027 March and wishing you made this investment and bought and hold your XRP. So that's all I have for you guys right now. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I really appreciate all your guys' support. It means the world to me, guys. And thank you guys for your time. Have a great day. Peace.